In this video, I will be using this WD-40. It's a silicone-based quick dry lubricator. You can pick up this from any hardware store. I got mine from Amazon. The most popular solution on the market is white lithium and the silicone. I chose silicone because the white lithium will leave a lot of residue, which can over time collect dust, debris, dirt, and it'll take a lot more maintenance and work to get all that in a good shape. But silicone, this is more like a liquid solution, which won't collect dust, dirt, and all the debris like the white lithium. So take a dry cloth or any wiping material. For this one, I'll be using my car wash microfabric washer here to first remove all the dust and like spider webs, dirt away from the rail track here, but I will be spraying this between the hinges here. The loud sound is actually coming from the vibration of this metal together. So we want to make sure that these rollers are actually rolling and not kind of skidding, because that can also create friction and loud noise, and over time it can wear out the metal to metal surface. So we want to first clean this and then lubricate the joints and the hinges all the way to the motor over there. Let's get right to it. So I'll start from the bottom here, just gently scrub, brush the track, get all the dust and debris out of the way, because it's been sitting here and probably collecting a lot of dust and dirt. So you just want to gently scrub it as you move. Okay, now that the cleaning part is done, we're going to start spraying this silicone-based lubricator on the hinges and also on the rolls itself. To make sure that they're lubricated so you can roll as intended. Make sure to put on safety gears like gloves and goggles. And I'm going to move up. Just spray them on the hinges, on the bearings like this. Also make sure to spray the in-between hinges, all the hinges of the garage door, because as they fold and expand, it will make a squeaky noise if it's not lubricated. So let's do that as well. Just enough to have it lubricated. Yes. This spraying these hinges is just as important as the main hinges on the sides. Yeah, again, just to let you know, all this squeaking sound usually comes from the mid-door hinges here, like here. I'm gonna finish off spraying the middle hinges. That should really take out all these noises. All right, with all the sprays onto the joints and hinges, and here's the final product. Squeaking. So much quieter.